and welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, I'll be reviewing a product that's making waves in the skincare world, the ISDIN Melatonik Overnight Recovery Anti-Aging Night Serum. This 3-in-1 formula promises to repair, restore, and brighten your skin while you sleep, thanks to a powerful blend of melatonin, Bakuchiol, and vitamin C. If you're into skincare with high-quality ingredients and are looking to add a nighttime serum to your routine, stick around as I dive deep into its performance. First off, let's break down what this product is all about. The ISDIN Melatonik Serum is designed to work its magic overnight. It's packed with potent actives like melatonin, Bakuchiol, and vitamin C, ingredients that have been celebrated for their skin-rejuvenating powers. Melatonin, a potent antioxidant, helps protect the skin against free radical damage while promoting repair. Bakuchiol, often touted as a natural alternative to retinol, works on improving skin texture, reducing fine lines, and boosting overall radiance. And of course, you have the brightening powers of vitamin C, which is well known for helping even out skin tone and reducing dark spots. The serum also includes other skin-loving ingredients like squalane, which hydrates and nourishes the skin, and tocopherol, vitamin E, which provides additional antioxidant protection. It's a lightweight formula that absorbs easily into the skin, leaving no greasy residue, making it suitable for most skin types, including those with oily or combination skin. It comes in a 30-milliliter bottle, which is a standard size for serums in this category. So what's it like in real life? I started using the ISDIN Melatonik Serum as part of my evening routine for about 2 weeks. The first thing I noticed was the texture. It's lightweight, almost like a gel, and it absorbs into the skin super quickly, which I love. There was no heaviness or stickiness, which is key when you're layering other skincare products at night. It didn't feel like it was sitting on my skin, it felt like it was doing the work immediately. The biggest change I noticed was in my skin's overall radiance. I woke up with a noticeably more even complexion, and over time I noticed that my skin felt smoother and looked more refreshed. The vitamin C and Bakuchiol combo worked well together, as I did see some improvement in skin texture and a reduction in minor fine lines around my eyes. On the flip side, I do think this serum might not be enough on its own if you're dealing with very deep wrinkles or significant skin concerns. It's a great starter serum for anti-aging or for someone who wants to maintain their skin's health, but if you need something more potent, you might want to look at other options with higher concentrations of retinol or peptides. In terms of value for money, this serum is priced on the higher side for a 30-milliliter bottle. That said, considering the quality of the ingredients and how well it performed, I do think it's worth the investment, especially if you're looking for a product that can brighten and refresh your skin overnight without being too harsh or irritating. The inclusion of melatonin, which isn't commonly found in many anti-aging products, gives it a unique edge in this category. When comparing this serum to other overnight treatments on the market, the combination of melatonin and Bakuchiol is something you don't see in every formula, which makes it stand out. There are definitely other products with vitamin C and retinol, but if you're looking for something with a gentler, more natural alternative to retinol, this is a solid choice. As far as build quality goes, the packaging is simple and functional. The glass bottle feels sturdy, and it has a pump dispenser, which I appreciate for controlling the amount of product you use. This helps prevent waste, and it's easy to travel with too. The serum itself is good for about 6 months once opened, so you don't have to worry about it expiring too quickly if you're not using it every night. I didn't have any direct interactions with ISDIN's customer support, but based on the brand's reputation, they're known for being responsive and helpful. They also offer a satisfaction guarantee for their products, which gives customers peace of mind when purchasing. If you're considering alternatives, there are plenty of serums out there that focus on anti-aging and brightening, such as those from brands like The Ordinary, Paula's Choice, or even more affordable options from CeraVe. However, none of these offer the same melatonin and Bakuchiol combo, so if that's a unique selling point for you, this product might be a good fit. To wrap things up, The ISDIN Melatonik Overnight Recovery Anti-Aging Night Serum is a great product if you're looking for a brightening anti-aging treatment that's gentle enough to use every night. It works well for anyone with early signs of aging or those wanting to maintain their skin's health. It's easy to incorporate into your routine and delivers noticeable results without the irritation that can sometimes come with stronger actives. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've tried this serum, drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.